Hello guys, welcome back to CodeZ channel. Let's talk about Python sequence. A sequence in Python is just a generic term which is used to refer to an ordered collection of values. These values could be of data type integer, string, float, or even object. Python sequences are categorized into two, which are mutable sequence and immutable sequence. A mutable sequence is a sequence whereby you can modify the content, while for immutable sequence, you cannot modify its content. The sequence types in Python are basically three, and these include list. List is a mutable sequence. We also have tuple. Tuple is a mutable sequence. Then we also have range, which is also an immutable sequence. You can learn more about Python sequence on the Python website. You can check out the documentation for that. There are several operations we can perform on Python sequence, and you can see that in this table. This table is extracted from the Python website, so you can visit Python website to learn more about this. As we go along in talking about each of the Python sequence we have, we do a run through of all these operations in our Jupyter notebook. Thank you guys for watching. Kindly click the subscribe button, like, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video.